And we're joined by Jason Sabenka at the Welcome Inn. So today you open for the first night.
Yes, yes.
You ready?
Yeah, we're very ready and very excited. I think we're excited. The space is feeling good, and we're getting ready to just have people come in and be comfortable.
Ironically, you were saying that even last night there was somebody huddled up against this very building with nowhere to go.
Yeah, and it's hard. We've had 6 people come in already this morning. Who the 12 we're bringing in are going to be from Cornerstone, and so we had 6 more come in and say, "Can we get in?" And they're desperate, and we had to say we can only take the 12 tonight, but we're going to try to ramp it up as quickly as possible. But trying to balance we have to have it work. We can't fail. And if we bring in, we're worried if we bring everybody in, it's not best practice. We could just have the operations collapse. So
that must be hard. You want to help everybody.
Totally. And you look and you go, I'm trying to go. We don't want it to fail. But you look at it in their eyes and they're going, but I'm sleeping outside without a tent. All 6 of these people, and I'm going. So that's the tough part, no question.
And some of the people who will be taking advantage of this first night here are some of the people who have been at that Recreation Avenue place.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, so there's like when the emergency mats opened up at Cornerstone, and that's why we're moving those 12 in first, is because those 12 are they can't handle that. They're already over capacity, so they got to move those in. But those were people off Recreation Ave.
This has been a really tough transition that's happened, shaking up that whole conglomeration of people on Leon Avenue and moving them to these sites. A lot of people have been pretty critical of this pathway that we followed, but I don't know. How do you see it?
Yeah, so I think one of the things that really jumps out to me is one that I'm convicted of is a lot of times we take and we point out and we go, this is the city's problem, and then the city's looking and going, this is the province's problem. And I actually think we got to flip that over, and I think that we need to enable our political leaders to start pointing it back at us and go, this is a community problem, and we need to come together. And I think truly it's humanity, it's community, it's our friends out there on the street. We need to, if we can gather around, I really think we can make that difference, and I'm hoping we'll see that through Welcome In and the amazing. We've had 200 people already step forward to volunteer, and I think the hearts of the people we've had come in are amazing, and I really do believe that's going to have an impact. Is that relationship, those volunteers coming in and meeting, and for people to truly feel like, yeah, somebody cares.
It is tough. You were saying earlier that when you try to solve problems like this, sometimes there are no good alternatives. You just got to pick the best bad one.
Totally. Yeah, and that's I empathize with the city on that, and they've been trying to deal. They take Leon and have to take it apart, and they move Recreation, and there is no good answer. They've got a really tough job right now. But I think what there needs to be is we need to get ahead of this, and we need to get these beds up and ready, and it's not fair to tell people you got to move and not tell them they can move anywhere, not give them anywhere to move. The problem's not going away.
Well, thanks for doing your part, Jason Sabenka.
Thank you.
And thank you for watching Kelowna Now.